Hello friends of Astelar channel. Today we will see how work with many service sites with many web crashs like Chrome or Mozilla and Insta in Microsoft Edge. So you have to do the one navigator, okay, web navigator to one survey site. Okay, I use Mozilla Firefox with InstaGC. This is just the survey provider I use. So as you can see here in service and select the survey to earn money. Okay, this is simple. The service will appear here and you click on the button and start your service. Okay, and so you have to do at least just one in one of these. Okay, as you can see, I see in Google Chrome I use gg2u.org. Okay, as you can see, it's our website, it's good website too, and you can try your service. Okay, high payout service, and this you just click. So you can I will show you. I use Microsoft Edge. I use Ysense. Okay, Ysense does a really good site too. You can click here, and I will show you the account summary. As you can see, you need to complete try this day check bonus. If you complete 2 surveys on your dashboard and 2 offers, you can gain a bonus. I just made $1, so it's very simple. You click in cash offers and you look for revenue universe here. This is the best offers in Ysense. You can see you look for this CPX research and on other search, and you complete these offers, and you will gain the bonus. Okay, so as you can see, you need to split your website service in various apps to internet. You can use Brave, you can use Microsoft Edge, you can use Chrome, you can use Safari, you can use anything others. Okay, I will show you my payment proof on Ysense. So as you can see, they sent me this message because I make the withdrawal on Ysense platform. And they sent to me this email here. Okay. So this is it. I hope you can understand to split using one website serving in one app of internet. Okay, like this or this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay safe. See you later.